In a chilling revelation, newly released footage unveils a heart-wrenching scene in a Florida home where David Contreras utilized his doorbell camera not for security, but to deliver a devastating confession to his wife. Moment when Contreras, 52, admits to fatally shooting his own son, Eric, during a heated altercation. The tragic incident unfolded in their Miami residence last November, reported by New York Post. He's not breathing. He's dead, Contreras can be heard, telling his wife in the aftermath of the shooting. His voice was heavy with sorrow and shock. As emotions overwhelm him, Contreras is seen on the footage, crouched, on the ground, his anguished face shielded by his hand. A stark portrayal of his despair. "It's not your fault. Please call my brother," he pleads with his wife. According to the distressing video, expresses fears of legal repercussions, uttering, "He'll go to jail." Moments after the confession to his wife, Contreras dials 911, his voice trembling as he admits, "I just shot my son." Responding to the call, authorities arrived at the scene to discover Eric, a 22-year-old student at Florida International University, succumbing to gunshot wounds. Adds the New York Post. Contreras, subsequently taken into custody, maintains his innocence, entering a plea of not guilty to the charge of second-degree murder during his arraignment. On November 27th, the events leading to the tragic escalation of the father-son dispute into fatal violence remain shrouded in ambiguity. Awaiting his next court appearance on March 11, Contreras remains detained without bond, leaving a community grappling with unanswered questions and the profound tragedy that has unfolded within their midst.